So yeah, this is annoying. Having changed the bulbs, these lights, a few months ago, this one has gone weird, flickering. This one's reasonably okay. There's still a quite flicker on that one as well, but it seems to be the LED bulbs themselves. I don't think it's a bad connection to the bulb holder. I think it's the LED bulb itself. But we'll get out and have a look. Right, so there we go. Again, to get this out, you just push the pointed object alongside this holder, just to push back this clip, and then it just lifts out. Difficult to say with this. It's definitely failed, and this one has failed completely by the looks of it. It's certainly plugged in properly into the holder. So it is the LED itself, which is pretty crap. Oh well. I'll see what I've got in stock. Swap this one out. Okay, so I found this one in my stash of bulbs, and this is actually a different make. It's got a plastic holder rather than the sort of PCB type style on the other one, and it's only seems to be working now. So I'll stick this back together and hope for the best. Keep an eye on it. See how we go. No, I didn't put this one. I actually got it inside the back into the car. It's flashing as well. I think I'm going to have to go back to incandescent ones at this rate. Yeah, there we go. As I say, it's got this plastic housing, but it's flickering. It seems that when they warm up, perhaps they just start to break down somehow. So I'm going to throw these away. They're hopeless, aren't they? So I don't have any old incandescent bulbs in stock, but I've tried to get another D one in here. It's one of the B style ones, and this one seems to be okay for now. So both are working. I'll maybe get some incandescent ones and swap those in if these fail again. Yeah, so using this small battery, 12 volts. So, oh dear. There's obviously a bad connection somewhere, I guess, but difficult to see where. Just almost seems random the way it starts flickering. I mean, the connection, the 12 volt connection is good. Actually, I can feel that getting warm. Presume this resistor, say emulating the incandescent bulb, is getting warm. But yeah, that's isn't it? But there's no obvious correlation between any sort of impact or movement that seems to correspond to the LEDs turning on and off. Not good. I suppose it could be an issue inside the chips themselves. Oh, I think the answer is LED bulbs, certainly cheap ones off eBay, are pretty hopeless, not worth bothering. I got this some years ago, and it's got a plastic base. Let's just try this one again. It was flickering in the car. That must be the wrong way around. Oh, there you go. So I say this one seemed better to start with, but once it was actually in the car, definitely started flickering again. Oh, so that's the 12 volts, I think. Poor connection here. Oh, that's all loose. Ah, there's definitely a correlation there between twisting that top and it coming on and off. So look at these LED bulbs with the sort of printed circuit board on the end. It's got a surface mount resistor, 241 it says on there, on both sides. So that's 240 ohms. So it's going to draw 50 milliamps, I think, which is 0.6 watts. So it's 1.5 or 1.2 watts in total, because they're both just straight across the supply, by the looks of it. So I'm surprised it was getting noticeably hot so quickly, but I guess a 1.2 watt power dissipation is going to feel warm, especially if I'm holding it in my hand. Anyway, so I've got a bunch of these, which is a mistake in hindsight. So I think I bought 6. This one's definitely failed. So the one on the other side of the number plate is okay, but we'll see. So this one that I had before, that's definitely failed as well, even though it's of a different type. So yeah, I'm not going to buy them again, I think, not unless I'm getting from a trusted source that I know is going to work. Right, thanks for watching.